Today I'm going to show you how to make your own stickers on CapCut. This is an envelope that I made on Procreate. It's actually a GIF, but I'm going to show you how to do the basic PNG sticker first. You can use whichever drawing app you have. I'm going to use Sketchbook since it's free for this tutorial. So open up Sketchbook, make sure you have a square canvas. It's 1080 by 1080. You might have to scroll down a bit to get it. Then you're going to start creating your design. I'm going to make a text box, so I'm just going to decorate it the way I want. Once you're done with your design, turn off the background color, so click the eye. To save your design, you're going to click share and then share as flattened image, and then you're going to click save image, and it should send it to your photo library, so double check. Okay, so now you're going to open CapCut, click on stickers, click on the add photo, and then add your sticker. And then you can drag and resize it. And then click the check mark, and you're done. Yay! I'm gonna add text on top of it since it's a text box. And pick whichever font and text color. I chose this Vividly font because it looks cute. And make sure the text is the last thing you pick, because then it'll send it back if you click the sticker. To fix it, just click the text again. You can also animate your sticker. To do this, just click on your sticker and click animation. And you can decide how it comes in, goes out, or if it's on a loop. I chose bounce in, so when I click play again, it's gonna jump in. Boing. And I just think that's so cute. Now I'm gonna animate the envelope sticker. And I'm gonna make it go side to side. Like you got a letter. And you can make it go fast or slow. So now when I click play, it just goes side to side. That's the end of part 1. For part 2, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF on Procreate. And for part 3, I'll teach you how to make a GIF for free. For part 2, we are going to use Procreate to create this masterpiece. So open up Procreate and make sure you choose a square canvas again. For the brush, I'm going to use the 6B pencil. And you're going to turn on Animation Assist. Once you have that on, you can start drawing your design. I'm going to make a heart. You can add as many frames as you want, and you're just going to trace over your first frame and just repeat that process. I'm gonna add hold durations because I feel like it's going too fast. I'm just gonna add 1 to each frame. It looks a bit better now that I play it. To save it, you're gonna click the wrench, click the share, and turn on transparent background. Then you're gonna click save image. Open CapCut again, and then repeat the steps from part 1 to add the GIF. And there you go. There's the heart. And then when you click play, you can see it has a doodle effect. Super cute. And Procreate makes it super easy to make a GIF. So that's it for part 2. For part 3, we are going to make another GIF, but for free. So open Sketchbook with the square canvas and make your design. Each layer is going to act as a frame, so I'm going to do a star. Once I finish the star, I turn on the opacity and add another layer and trace over it, and I keep doing it until I have 3 layers or frames. Once you're done making the frames, you turn all the layers back to 100% opacity and turn off the background color. Now you're going to save each layer as its own PNG. So I'm turning on the first layer, turning off the other 2, and saving as PNG. And I'm going to do this for all the layers. So I'm turning on the second layer and then turning off all the others and saving as PNG. Again, I'm turning on third layer, turning off all the others, and saving as PNG. So now you should have 3 images in your photo library. So now you're gonna go to your web browser and Google GIF Maker. I'm using the first link called easygif.com. I'm going to select my images, all 3, and click upload and make a GIF. It'll take you to this screen once it's done, and make sure to click the don't stack frames and then click make a GIF. And there it is. There's the little star and it has the same doodle effect. Click save. And then save the image. Then you're gonna go to CapCut and add the GIF. By the way, I know I'm saying it wrong. It's GIF, but I like GIF better, so I'm gonna keep using it. And there it is, the same cute doodle effect, but for free. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and have fun making your stickers.